Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you to the stunning beaches of Poland, where summer vibes are in full swing. Imagine golden sands, the sound of gentle waves, and of course, beautiful bikini girls enjoying the sunshine. Whether you're here for travel inspiration, to relax with ocean views, or to soak in the European summer lifestyle, this video will keep you company for the next little while. So sit back, relax, and let's take a long walk on this beautiful Polish beach together. As we begin our walk, notice the calm rhythm of the waves hitting the shore. The sunlight sparkles over the water, creating a magical glow. All around us, you can see people enjoying their beach day, friends laughing, families relaxing, and bikini girls walking along the coastline with effortless summer style. The beach here in Poland is known for being clean, spacious, and full of energy. It's the kind of place where you can enjoy both peace and fun at the same time. Just take a moment to imagine yourself here, with the warm breeze on your skin and the salty air filling your lungs. Now, let's talk about what makes this beach walk so eye-catching. The bikini girls here bring such a vibrant energy to the scene. You'll see them strolling gracefully along the sand, enjoying the waves, or simply chilling by the water. Each one has her own unique style, different swimsuits, sunglasses, and beach fashion that reflects the true spirit of summer. Some prefer colorful bikinis that pop under the sun, while others go for simple and elegant styles. Watching them enjoy their time adds to the charm of this beach experience. It's not just about beauty, but also confidence, joy, and that carefree holiday vibe. As we continue walking, you'll notice the overall atmosphere of this beach. There's music playing faintly in the background, kids building sandcastles, couples holding hands, and groups of friends laughing together. The sound of seagulls flying above adds to the natural soundtrack. Every corner of the beach has something interesting. Some people are swimming, others sunbathing, and a few adventurous ones are trying water sports. But no matter what, the energy stays positive and lively. It's the perfect balance between relaxation and excitement, and that's what makes Poland's beaches a hidden gem for travelers. Poland may not always be the first country you think of when it comes to beaches, but once you're here, you realize how special it is. The Baltic Sea coastline offers wide sandy beaches, fresh air, and an authentic European summer atmosphere. Unlike crowded tourist spots, these beaches still hold a sense of purity and calm. And if you're a traveler exploring Europe, Poland is definitely a destination worth adding to your list. Imagine combining city adventures in Warsaw, Gdansk, or Krakow with a relaxing beach holiday like this. It's the best of both worlds. Now, while you're watching this beach walk, I want you to take a moment and think. What does summer mean to you? Is it the laughter of friends, the warmth of the sun, or the feeling of sand between your toes? For me, summer is about freedom and creating memories that last forever. And this video captures exactly that. Also, I'd love to know, what's your favorite beach in the world? Comment below and share your top pick. Maybe it's a tropical beach in Thailand, the famous Copacabana in Brazil, or a hidden gem in Europe. Your answer might even inspire our next travel vlog. Let's slow down the pace a little. As you watch the waves roll in, let yourself relax. Focus on the horizon where the sky meets the sea. Watch the way the Bikini girls walk gracefully along the sand, enjoying their carefree summer day. Listen to the natural rhythm of the ocean. It's almost like meditation. These long beach walks are not just visually pleasing, they're calming for the mind. So, if you're watching this after a busy day, use this moment to unwind. Breathe deeply, and let the sights and sounds transport you to this beach in Poland. As we reach the end of our long beach walk, I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me. From the stunning Bikini girls to the peaceful sound of waves, Poland's beaches truly offer a mix of beauty, relaxation, and unforgettable summer vibes. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends who love travel and beaches, and subscribe for more amazing adventures around the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure to walk with you along Poland's beautiful coastline. Until next time, keep chasing the sun, keep exploring, and keep living those summer vibes. Please keep watching till end. I will see you in the next video.